سڵاو و ڕێز ئامادەبوانی عزیز و خۆشەویست ئەم کاتتان باش لە سلێمانیەوە من سۆران نەقشبەندی لە خزمەتتانام بەم بابەتە. Distinguished guests, media leaders and fellow researchers gathering in London for Third Chimic National Forum for Media Reform. I'm speaking to you today from Soleimani, but the importance of your work resonates across the entire Kurdish community. I'm Soran Naqshbandi, a Kurdish cultural diplomacy specialist. It is a privilege to share the core idea from my paper titled One Narrative, Many Platforms Toward a Unified Kurdish Media Strategy. A nation's reputation today is shaped by how it tells its own story. For stateless nations, such as Kurds, telling that story is the matter of survival. Without recognized embassies, we rely heavily on our media to share our history and values with the world. The Kurds are one of the world's largest stateless populations, with more than 50 million people, yet the world usually sees us through the lens of foreign governments or crisis reporting rather than through our own eyes. We believe Kurdish media must be treated as a national asset and a pillar of cultural diplomacy, not just a political tool. Our problem today is not a lack of media. In 2025, the Kurdistan Regional Government alone hosted 30 satellite channels and 128 local TV and more than 300 radio stations in different languages. We have the technology and the infrastructure, but more channels have not given us a unified strategy. Much of our media is driven by partisan agendas. This divides our national voice and hurts our credibility abroad. A huge media ecosystem will fail to represent the nation if its actors don't share a common purpose. To fix this problem, we need to focus on soft power. As defined by Joseph Ney, to attract others through our culture and values. A strong nation brand relies on trusted storytelling. This leads to what the researcher Nicholas J. Call calls reputational security. When a nation is known, understood, and valued globally, it becomes much harder for enemies to isolate or misrepresent them. We already have massive potential for this online presence. The Kurdish digital footprint is huge. Only on TikTok, for example, the hashtag Kurdistan has over 160 billion views, and hashtag Kurd has nearly 80 million views. On Instagram, hashtag Kurd has over 11 million posts. While we can't count every single post across the entire internet, it is clear that Kurdish identity is highly visible on internet. But let's be honest, visibility alone is not a strategy. Without coordination, millions of views just amplify a fragmented image. This brings us to a key concept in our paper, Media Disarmament, developed by Professor Nicholas J. Call. For decades, the world has seen Kurds mainly through the lens of war and instability. Our fight against ISIS earned global respect, but it also trapped us in a security frame. We are known universally as brave fighters, but rarely as a vibrant society rich in culture, education, history, and creativity. To be seen only through conflict is a dangerous matter. It keeps us trapped in narratives of instability. Media disarmament does not mean giving up our voice. It means refusing to fight propaganda with more and more propaganda. It means choosing facts, professionalism, and truth. We must challenge hostile stereotypes by showcasing our literature, our history, environment, and our business leading initiatives, and our peaceful coexistence. How do we build this unified national voice? We propose a strategy built on three principles: unity of purpose, diversity of voices, and credibility. We don't want censorship. Our strength is in our diversity, but we must align when it comes to defending the dignity of the Kurdish nation. To achieve this, we recommend the following steps. First, Kurdish media should adopt a shared code of conduct. This means committing to accuracy and completely rejecting hateful language. Second, we must invest heavily in multilingual content. To succeed, our media must speak to the world in Arabic, English, Persian, Turkish, and many other languages. Third, we need to show the world more than just politics. We must highlight our soft power through our cultural diplomacy, utilizing our cinema, cuisine, food, history, tourism, and innovation. Finally, we propose creating a permanent national Kurdish media forum. This would bring together journalists, academics, media outlets, and civil society to protect our national narratives. Kurdish media is at a turning point. We have the technology, the audience, and the platforms. If we coordinate our efforts, our media will become our greatest tool for global recognition. It will help the world truly understand us and allow us to speak with one confident, united voice. Thank you so much, and I wish you a highly successful conference in London to all of you.